Welcome to the Password Holiday Special.
Jonathan, please introduce us to who you're playing with.
Oh, get ready. I am playing with Annette! Come on, Annette!
Welcome to a special episode of Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor, with me, Annette Zito. I am a contestant on the 2025 Password Holiday Special, starring Jimmy Fallon, Keke Palmer, and guest celebrity Jonathan Groff. I needed to make something to honor the amazingness that is Keke Palmer. Based on my research that she likes a snickerdoodle and she likes chocolate chip cookies, we've got Keke Palmiers, cinnamon sugar Palmier cookies with a little salted dark chocolate. These are the easiest to make. Cinnamon, sugar, chocolate, salt, boom! And you get this kind of gorgeous cookie. Oh my goodness. It's sweet, it's got a little savory. It just is a flavorful excitement for your face. Keke is a flavorful excitement for your media, whether you're listening to her, watching her on the big screen, on the small screen, or anywhere in between. That talented woman made for an amazing experience. I want to shout out to my opponent, Matthew Sims Jr. He's just amazing, talented, fabulous, fantastic. Keke Palmiers, delish. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.